Melton, harassed by jersey number 34. Melton. Back to Napoles. From the downtown. Olina. Napoles. 3 points. That's 3 points. Is brought to you by Palawan Ponja. Jersey number 11. Albaba on the move. Albaba. Blast. Recover by Linda. Olina. Yes, good for 2. Linda. Jersey number 34. By that, so Albaba, harus by Richard. Albaba on the move. Turn around. Yeah! 7 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. Andres, jersey number 5. Andres. To jersey number 21. Recover by Richard. Pull up. Yeah! Basket down. Foul on jersey number 0. Mata. There's a chance of a 3-point play by jersey number 18, Richard. Jersey number 0, Mata. That is your first personal foul. Second team foul. 3 shots, in and out. Rebound by Mata. Mata to jersey number 11, Albaba. Bothered by jersey number 18, Richard. Recover, number 61, off the mark, offensive rebound. Rebound by Richard. To Napoles. Head up to Andres. Andres, jersey number 5. Long pass to Melton. Melton on the wall. Recover by Albaba. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 on the move. Harassed by jersey number 27. 18 seconds to shoot. Same ball. Talit lang po. 18 seconds to shoot. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Albaba, jersey number 11. To jersey number 61. Number 61, Nigeria. So Baitan, harassed by jersey number 81. Baitan, jersey number 18. 5 to shoot. Linda, Odina, Melo, basket down, foul on jersey number, Osman Rep. Basket down, foul on, that is your 4th personal foul. 2 free shots to be awarded to jersey number 23. First attempt, yes! Second free shot. Jersey number 23, Melton. From St. Pius Eastport, short. Rebound by jersey number 34. To Ineria, jersey number 61. To Albaba. Albaba to Baitan, jersey number 18. 15 seconds to shoot. Mata to Linda. To Mata, pull up yan. Rebound. Recover by Andres. Jersey number 5, Andres on the move. Andres to Napoles. Final bit from Napoles, jersey number 57. 3 points. Albaba, jersey number 11. 5 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. Albaba to Ineria. Lapas to Linda. Ball down.